Here are the top 5 DC2 tricks. After learning them, you will wonder why you did not know them earlier. This will allow your animation to stand out in this era and exactly look like min HP. And if you want to download the Italian brand note models, watch the video till the end. Tip 1. High quality video exports. Yeah, your videos are not yet exporting at high quality. If you want that, go to settings of your DC2, scroll down and make sure you have toggled this setting. Now, DC2 will export your videos at the maximum quality possible for your device. Sounds great, right? Tip 2. Change skeleton colors. Now, if you want to customize the skeleton or this bone color, you can do this. Go to the settings again and this time choose color of skeletons. Then choose the color that you want. Now, you can manipulate DC2 skeletons as you want. Here's a pro tip for editors. If you want your animations to look even more professional, vibrant and alive in post-production, then Juice is your secret weapon. They offer free and premium plugins for Premiere Pro and After Effects that top animators use for impactful effects like energy blast, transitions, camera shakes, VHS vibes, sound effects and more. Download their free plugins pack from the link in the description. Or if you want all their assets at once, grab the I Want It All bundle 99% off right now. Using my link and get exclusive discounts, you will support the channel and level up your editing game. Trust me, this is the one of the best investments you can make as a digital creator. Tip 3. Backup and transfer DC2. Now, if you are stuck because you're drawing cartoons to crashes or it's just not opening at all, or if you want to transfer your data to another device, yes, you can do it. Head over to your settings panel, scroll down to the bottom and click the backup option. Then click create a backup. Now, it will create a dedicated file for you to restore the exact same assets on another device. Maybe it's phone, computer or whatever you want. If that doesn't sound familiar to you, watch my full tutorial on how to download DC2 on PC, the link in the description. If you want more tips, check out part 1 of this video, link in the description. Tip 4. Lock others while animating. Having trouble animating when there's more than one character in the scene? Here's a pro tip. Click the character that you want to animate specifically, go to edit unit, click lock others. This will lock all other characters in the scene, making you feel free while animating. Tip 5. Hidden stick figures inside DC2. Our last tip is something most of you don't know. Still searching for stick figure characters to download? Then you probably don't know this tip. Go to your DC2, click on this pack, scroll down and choose the stick figure character. Yes, you already have it in your DC2, you just did not know it. Now you can even choose different colors from the stats option. Bonus. So here are the Italian brand note models. Just go to the playlist on my channel, open each video and grab your download links. If you want tutorials, then you have to watch the full video on Italian brand note. It's all inside. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, comment with the hashtag AskTM for more secret tips. Let's take your animation to the next level together.